How much time do you waste looking for a file you know is somewhere on your computer? We've all been there, clicking through endless folders, trying to remember what we named that one document from 6 months ago. It's a frustrating, time-consuming cycle. But what if I told you you already have a powerful tool built into Windows 10 that can find any file in seconds? You just need to learn its secrets. This guide will show you how. These aren't complicated tricks for tech experts. They are simple, easy-to-learn techniques anyone can use to regain control of your digital files and save time every day. Forget the aimless clicking. It's time to start searching like a pro. The goal today is simple. We're going to transform how you find things on your PC. By the end, you'll understand advanced search techniques that make you faster and more efficient. The absolute cornerstone of any advanced search strategy is the use of what are called Boolean operators. This is a fancy term for a few very simple words. And or not. These operators allow you to combine or exclude keywords in your search, giving you an incredible degree of control over the results. They work just like they sound, using and tells Windows to only show files that contain both of the terms you specify. This is perfect for narrowing down a search when you remember a couple of key details about a file. For example, if you are looking for a project proposal from 2024, you can get much more specific than just searching for proposal. Open File Explorer and navigate to a folder where you have a lot of documents, or just select this PC to search your entire computer. Now, click into the search box in the top right corner. Let's say you're looking for a report about your company's quarterly sales. If you just type report, you might get dozens or even hundreds of files. But if you type quarterly and sales, Windows will only return files that contain both the word quarterly and the word sales. The operator must be in all caps. And, not and. Now, what if you need to broaden your search? That's where the OR operator comes in. In the search box, type contract OR agreement. Windows will then present you with a list of every file that contains at least one of those terms, saving you the effort of searching twice and comparing the results yourself. While Boolean operators are powerful, the real secret to mastering Windows search lies in using file properties. Every file on your computer has a set of metadata, or data about the data, that you can use to refine your search. These properties include the file type, the date it was last modified, and its size. By using special keywords called search filters, you can query this metadata directly from the search box. You've already seen a preview of this with Boolean operators, but let's dive into how these filters can be used to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, even if you can't remember the file name at all. The first and most commonly used filter is kind. This filter allows you to restrict your search to a specific type of file. For example, kind picture, kind document, kind music, kind video, kind email. You can combine this with other terms. For instance, vacation kind picture will find all image files that have the word vacation in their name or properties. Another incredibly useful filter is date modified. You can search specific dates, and it's even more powerful with ranges. The greater than symbol means after, while the less than symbol means before. Use plain language like date modified today, date modified yesterday, date modified this week, date modified last month. Combining these is easy. Quarterly report, kind document, date modified last month is a highly specific query. Finally, the size filter. Size large, size gigantic, or be specific like size 1 GB. A search for kind video size 1 GB instantly shows all large videos. Have you ever noticed that some searches in Windows are lightning fast, while others seem to take forever with a green bar? The difference is the Windows Search Index. The index is like a books index for your computer. Windows maintains a special database of the contents and properties of files in specific locations. Searching an indexed location is almost instant. By default, Windows indexes your documents, pictures, music folders, and your desktop. Go to your C drive and create a new folder named SC Files. Inside it, create a simple text file and write, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Open Control Panel, switch to small icons, click Indexing Options, then Modify. Expand Local Disk, C, Check SC files, click OK, then close. Windows will begin indexing the folder. Back at C, type Fox or jumps in the search box. Windows instantly finds the text file. It searched the file contents, not just the name. By strategically adding your most important folders to the index, your most critical files are always just a quick search away. Section 5. Visual filtering. Using headings to narrow your results. While typing operators is powerful, sometimes you want a visual, hands-on approach, especially when dozens of results remain after a search. Be in details. View first. If you see icons or a list, go to the View tab and click Details. Files arrange in rows with columns like Name, Date Modified, Type, and Size. These column headings are interactive tools. After a search, they filter only the results shown. Open Documents and search. Project. Click the type arrow and check Microsoft Word document. Results update to show only Word files. Click Date Modified to pick a date range. Use size for tiny, small, medium, or large. Broad search, then visual filtering. A fast workflow. You can chain filters. First type, then date. Visual filtering feels like sorting papers and is great for exploring results. Section 6. A picture is worth 1,000 tags. Advanced media searches. Searching for documents is one thing, but finding specific photos, songs, or videos presents a unique challenge. You're often not looking for a word in a file name, but for a visual memory, a feeling, a particular artist. Fortunately, Windows Search has specialized properties designed specifically for media files. The most powerful of these is the ability to search by tags or comments. Tags are keywords that you can add to your files to make them easier to find later. Taking a few seconds to tag your photos after a vacation or an event can save you hours. Right-click the photo, select Properties, go to the Details tab. You'll see fields for title, subject, and most importantly, tags. Or in File Explorer, View tab, Details pane. Select the photo and add tags on the right. For a beach photo, add tags like beach, vacation, summer, 2025. Click Save. Go to any folder or this PC and type tag beach, then press Enter. Windows instantly pulls up the tagged photo and any others that share that tag. Use Boolean operators, tag vacation and tag 2025 to find trip photos. For music, search artist, album, genre. For videos, use tags and comments to describe content. Section 7. Never search twice. Leveraging saved and recent searches. As you become more proficient, you'll run the same complex searches repeatedly, like client invoices from the past 7 days. This is where saved searches come in. Type kind document date modified this month. Click the Search tab, then Save Search. Name it this month's documents and save. Find it in your Searches folder. Double-click to rerun. It's dynamic. Run it today or next month and it updates automatically. Right-click to create a desktop shortcut. For quick repeats, click the search box to pick from recent searches. To clear history, open the Search tab, choose Recent Searches, then Clear Search History. Saved and recent searches remove repetitive work and make you more efficient. Section 8. Under the hood. Configuring your search settings include zipped folders, enable safe search for web results, and decide whether Windows should search non-indexed locations by default. In File Explorer, Search tab, Advanced Options, enable file contents for deeper searches in non-indexed folders. It's thorough but slower. Open Windows Settings, Windows key +I. Search. In Permissions and History, set Safe Search to Strict, Moderate, or Off, and Clear Device Search History. Under Searching Windows, choose Classic to index libraries and Desktop, or Enhanced to index your entire PC. Classic Plus manually added key folders, balances performance and power. Section 9. Conclusion. Your path to becoming a search pro. We moved from simple keywords to powerful queries. And, or not, quoted phrases, kind, date modified, size, indexing key folders, visual column filters, media tags, and saved searches. Create a practice folder, add some files, add it to your index, and try these filters today. The more you use them, the faster you'll get. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Windows mastery, and comment with your favorite search trick. Try a saved search right now and save time this week.